I'm starting to get tired of these angelic, beautiful beasts sent here to destroy me.
Good.
It causes a sense of weakness I should be numb to by now. Like that last stare, I only imagine I fall a little every time. Waiting for something good, I pay attention to every detail because I can't help myself. The gently placed nick of every joke shows knowing me well enough to get laughter in return instead of guilt to later yell at people about how fast you read me. Speaking in the soft touch my rough hands may never provide. I try, I really do. Just this weight I've yet to gain the strength to lift. Whispering the same as a demon tattooed to my ear. Trying to convince joy to fuck off makes my fingers lose grip of every kind word I should say. Are these gorgeous beings distractions or a test to take care of myself first? These blue eyes holding warm water are made to thaw cold hearts, not boil them into bland meals. My tongue is not that simple. My self-awareness consists of finding disgust in the little sweet things and complete joy and peace inside vast anxiety. Thank you.